Hi everybody, here is a quick update video to talk about the brand new brushes available in Krita version 4.0. First of all, let's talk about textured brushes. A lot of pencils have some interesting textures. Then there's also a group of bristle brushes categorized under the letter G. These also have some interesting textures. And we also have various chalky brushes which we can find categorized under the letter H. But most interesting textures are found under the letter Y. And super cool new brushes related to textures are the stamp brushes. These can be super useful. For example, with the stamp grass brush, I can easily draw in layers of grass. We will be learning more about creating our own stamp brushes in the next section. Okay. Let's talk about the new smudge brushes. The smudge brushes are now called blender brushes, and you can find them categorized under the letter K. And let's talk about the wet and mix brushes. There's a bunch of wet brushes. Wet brushes can be found categorized under the letter I. In Krita 4.0 we no longer make a distinction between wet and mix brushes. Some of these wet brushes are actually mix brushes, technically speaking, but this brush set only refers to all of them as wet brushes. Well, that was a quick summary of the special brushes available in Krita version 4.0. Okay, see you in the next section. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.